How to switch your golf balls in Ultimate Golf. Different golf balls can give you a special effects, more distance, or better control. So, if you ever want to change your golf ball in Ultimate Golf, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open your Ultimate Golf application on your device and make sure you are in the home page. Now go to the bottom right and tap on Golf Bag. Inside Golf Bag, select Balls category. Once you're inside this Golf Bag Balls category, go ahead and select a different ball you want to change to. Now, go ahead and click on the Select button to choose the ball. Get back to the home page and start a match. Now, you'll see the new ball as your active ball. So that is how you can easily change your ball in Ultimate Golf. Some balls are premium or event specific, so make sure you've unlocked or purchased them. Experiment with different balls to see which works best for your playing style. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.